The new Hilux is out of the bag, so to say. But what's really new? Well, here's four things that are new in the new Hilux, the 9th generation, I believe. So the first thing is that it now comes with electric power steering. So that means the steering will feel lighter, but that also enables them to add some of the more advanced features like lane keeping assist and all those funny gadgets to it. The next thing that's new is that it's got a new display. So the gauges are now all electronic, so it's not digital anymore. So it will give it a much more modern look. And the next thing that's new is that it's now got terrain response. So it's like a dial that you can adjust, where you can select sand, mud, gravel or rocks. The current version did have something similar, but this is much more prominent. You've got a special dial for it. Other thing that is new is that on some of the higher end models, it will have tweaked suspension at the back, I assume to make the ride more comfortable. But yeah, that's just a couple of things that are new. Do you know about anything else that's new in the new Hilux except for the looks? Let me know in the comments below.